Hello and welcome back. This is Deborah, owner and founder of TW365 Bookkeeping, the simplest, most affordable software for small businesses. This is our how-to series, and today we will be talking about how to add or create liabilities. In other words, the money that you owe to other people. So let's share the screen. Our home screen, obviously, if you should be getting used to this if you're following along. We're going to go to these three lines. We're going to go to accounts. We have an video that already shows you how to add assets, and now we're going to come down and show how to add liabilities. So they're almost identical and very similar. So I'm going to do CC for credit card, Bank of America as that. My initial balance, because I pay my card off every month, is going to be 0. If you have a balance, you need to make sure that you get that off of your statement and go from there. So let's just say it's a $100 balance just because I forgot to pay it off. And then the added thing I usually write in here is expense, because that way it just helps clear and keep my head more obvious when I'm using the accounts to do things, right? And so then this says expense. We can view an account, and so long as there really isn't anything in here, which there isn't in this one, let's say I changed my mind on this and I don't want it to be a, just say credit card. Let's say it's an auto loan, and then you can say whatever bank it is if that's what you want to do. So let's do, oh my God, my brain isn't even working today. Main Credit Union. And then update the account name. And there you go. So now, you bought your car, you're writing it off on your business, and now this is a liability because you are owing money towards your, give it a minute, it'll refresh here. And it'll show up in just a second here as an update. But there you go. It is that simple. This is the one we just updated. So let's see if it will refresh when we do refresh. And liabilities, where do liabilities go? Liabilities, right? So here we go. Auto loan and who it's through. And then you can keep track of how much is there and et cetera, et cetera. And then go from there. We'll talk to your bookkeeper or your accountant, initially at least for starters, to learn how you may actually put this in here. Different people track it in different ways, but go from there. But that is how you add liabilities, in other words, people that you owe. As you can see, there's a sales tax, which automatically exists already, because if you have sales tax, it's going to fill in. And in previous videos, when we did record sale, we sold something which included sales tax. So in a future video, you will learn how to decrease this amount when you pay the state and the government the sales tax that you're the go-between in between. So that's how you update and add liabilities. Till next time. For more how-to videos with TW365 BK, please like and subscribe below. Also in the description is the link to TW365 Bookkeeping,